Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Marvel Rivals lag and FPS drops so you can enjoy smooth gameplay without annoying stutters. First, open your game settings and lower graphics options like shadows, textures, and effects because high settings can heavily impact performance. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, as updates often improve game optimization and stability. After that, close all unnecessary background applications like browsers or recording software to free up CPU and RAM usage. You should also switch your power plan to high performance in Windows settings to get maximum output from your system. Another helpful step is enabling game mode and disabling overlays like Discord or Xbox overlay, which can cause FPS drops. If the issue continues, try playing in full screen mode and lower your resolution slightly for better performance. Finally, make sure your system is not overheating because high temperatures can reduce FPS significantly during gameplay. Subscribe the channel for more videos.